Wholesaling real estate is one of the most misunderstood strategies in real estate investing. Some people think it's easy money, others think it's a scam, and most beginners are confused before they ever get started. So in this video, we're going to talk about what wholesaling really is. No hype, no shortcuts, no unrealistic promises. Welcome to the REI Edge. This channel is about clear, practical real estate education. We focus on fundamentals, decision-making, and understanding how deals actually work, especially if you're new to real estate investing. If you're looking for hype, this probably isn't the right channel for you. If you're looking for clarity, you're in the right place. At its core, wholesaling real estate is pretty simple. You're not fixing houses and you're not becoming a landlord. Instead, you're finding a property owner who wants or needs to sell quickly, putting that property under contract, and then assigning that contract to another investor for a fee. Wholesaling is about connecting problems with solutions. Motivated sellers on one side and investors looking for deals on the other. Here's where a lot of confusion comes in. Wholesaling is not a get-rich-quick strategy, a push-button business, easy money with no effort. You still need skills, deal analysis, seller conversation, negotiation, and managing buyers. Anyone telling you that wholesaling is effortless is missing the most important part, the work. So why does wholesaling even work? Because real estate problems exist in the real world. People inherit properties they don't want, landlords get tired, properties fall behind on maintenance, life changes, and people need speed and simplicity. Retail buyers don't want those problems, but real estate investors do. A wholesaler steps in and creates value by saving the seller time and stress, giving investors access to off-market deals. You're not taking advantage of people, you're solving problems efficiently. Here's an important mindset shift. Wholesaling is not a money business, it is a skill business. You're paid for understanding how to analyze deals, knowing how to talk to sellers professionally, recognizing when a deal makes sense and when it doesn't. This is why some people struggle for months, while others pick up traction quickly, not because of luck, but because of clarity and process. Most beginners don't fail because wholesaling doesn't work. They fail because they overcomplicate it. They chase too many strategies at once. They don't understand the numbers, never build a consistent process. Clarity beats motivation every time, and that's a big part of what this channel is all about. On the REI Edge, we focus on how wholesaling actually works step by step, how to talk to sellers without sounding inexperienced, how to avoid common beginner mistakes, and how to think like an investor and not a speculator. No hype, no shortcuts, just real education that you can build on. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe, like, and share. To continue your path of growth, make sure you watch our next video, the 3 numbers that decide every wholesale deal.